Good morning to you all. Today, the Government of India has started My Vision Corruption Free India. This is nothing but Anti Corruption Week. Fortunately, these type of programs are arranged in educational institutions, both central and state governments, where there is absolutely no scope for corruption. It would be more better if these types of programs are arranged in first in Indian Parliament, judiciary, state legislative assemblies of all states, government offices of central and state governments, police stations, etc., in order to make the people aware of what is corruption and what are the pros and cons of the corruption and the consequences that are leveled against the people who are involved in corruption charges. As far as educational institutions are concerned, there are also some corruption which can be leveled. Those are nothing but absconding from duty, signing in the register without attending the school, false medical bills, TA bills, not attending the classes after coming to the school, all these come under corruption charges. But in the whole of India, there are corruption charges leveled on the political leaders, but not a single case has been finalized till now. The Government of India has to take initiative in order to make these corruption charges leveled as soon as possible. However, the children, since they were future citizens, future of the country, it is very important for them to know that they should not be involved in corruption charges. Corruption charges are leveled against so many big people, where there are instances of looting the banks, and they were posing as if they were big men in the society. Those people are not at all punished by the courts. There should be substantial courts, and speedy trials should be implemented for those who are involved in corruption charges. Recently, we come across one MRO in Telangana who is involved in the corruption charges, who has demanded 1 crore rupees as bribe. He was caught red-handedly by the CBI and has been arrested and kept in jail. Unfortunately, he committed suicide in the jail itself. Other than that, there are so many other corruption charges leveled against the people around the country, and those charges should immediately be finalized, and the court has to take a decision to punish such a type of people in the public courts. In order to make the people aware of the pros and cons of corruption, the Government of India has taken up a task in order to arrange such type of programs in schools. That is, from today, that is 30th of November to 5th of November, from 30th of October to 5th of November, in which there will be speeches, there will be quiz program, there will be processions with placards abolishing the abolishing the corruption from the students of Kendriya Vidyalaya. So, in order to make them aware that the government of India has taken this initiative in order to enlighten the people about the corruption, that is why people should take a decision that we should neither tolerate nor practice nor encourage any type of corruption in their vicinity. If at all they find any type of corruption charges leveled against any person, immediately it is up to them to make a complaint in the CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. Of course, there is Anti-Corruption Bureau office. The Anti-Corruption Bureau office is installed in order to make the people to take the to take a to make the people aware of the corruption charges leveled against them and punish them accordingly. Thank you. Thank you all.